A massive explosion occurred just near the well number 5 of Oil India Limited at the Baghjan oil field located in Assam's Tinsukia district. 3 foreign experts who were at the site have been injured. They have been rushed to the hospital. The incident took place when the experts were on location trying to douse the fire. The gas well has been spewing gas for 56 days since a blowout on May 27th. The well caught fire on June 9th. 2 firefighters of Oil India Limited lost their lives while trying to cap the fire. Operations to cap the fire has been on since last month. Team of foreign experts have been at the site. Central Petroleum Minister Dharmendra Pradhan, Chief Minister Sarvanand Sonowal and other ministers have visited the site and met the affected people. Oil India has paid compensation of 30,000 rupees each to about 1,610 affected families. Oil has also paid another 2.20 crore rupees as compensation to some 11 affected families.